Name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Respected teacher and dear student, Assalamu alaikum. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. Let us welcome all the teachers with a big round of applause. On this beautiful occasion, let us take the opportunity to convey our wishes to all our teachers who have give impeccable contribution in shaping us. Every year, 5th of October, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with the loads of excitement, joy, and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to all to tell their teachers how and why are this special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this wonderful occasion. Teachers are the backbone of our society. This spearhead change by shaping and building students' personality and make them ideal citizens of the country. As one looks at the great impact on the growth, development, and well-being of the students and nation, one must agree that teaching is a non-negotiable part of the education system. Parents raise a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire to become better people. They are the source of knowledge and wisdom. From them leads the ideas and thoughts that one day each one of you will use to provide back into this society. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you and wish you all happy Teachers' Day. Thank you. And some lines for my dear teacher. Dear teacher, your inspiring words have made a difference in my life. Thanks for making me what I am today. Sending my warm wishes and hoping that you have a lovely Teacher's Day. Thank you very much.
Zabardast Tehzeeb, you have really made my day as well as having listened to your words. You have really
Thank you
worked
so
hard for
much.
that, and you have spoken from the bottom of your heart. Like you have done
Thank you,
good
sir.
preparation, and I think
Thank
you
you.
have done it from your heart. It was your passion. You really respect your teachers. Good,
Yes, sir. Thank you.
good, 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 good. Yes. Next, Sadia Ishaq. बहुत सारे हाथ उठे हुए हैं. Be very quick because we have two sessions, but I'm sure that it will be the less time. Yes, Sadia Ishaq, please.
Assalamu alaikum, all of you. This is Sadia Ishaq from Islamabad. It is my honor to talk about our dear teachers on this occasion. Today's day is a special day for all of us where we can pay a hearty tribute to our dear teacher, Sir Hasibur Rahman, and all my other teachers who take untiring efforts to build our future and confidence. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us. Dear my friends, Sir Hasibur Rahman is just not our teacher, but also he is our friend who teaches and guides us very well. He inspires and motivates us whenever required. He is the one who prepares us to tackle the tough situations and help us with own knowledge and patience. At the end, I would like to say I am thankful and grateful for all your efforts. Thank you so much, sir. May Allah bless you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Sadia, for dedicating these words to me. And really, I'm not doing anything special. I'm doing what very normal things for all of you, right? I wish I could do something very
No,
special
sir.
for you
Thank you.
that you could start speaking within a minute. I wish it were possible, but speaking English is takes time. But mashallah, you guys have started
Okay.
speaking good English. but the day will come when you will be speaking
Thank you,
without
sir.
reading.
Thank you.
Yes, now next, Sabra
Okay, sir.
Sajid, then Isma Khan, then Minahil Iqbal. Sabra Sajjad. I always say Sajid. Sabra Sajjad. Sabra, turn on your mic, please.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Good evening. Respected Sir Hasib and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank you for Sir Hasib who created such a platform for us where we can improve skills and increase confidence. Today I present importance of teacher in our lives. As we know, today celebrate and pay all our respects to our teachers who are second parents and role models. Wish you happy Teachers Day for all our my respected teachers. A day like this allow this introspect and ask ourselves if our teachers are being given the recognition due to them. Let us felt that we always grateful to our teachers and show them respect not just today but every single day of our lives. This is great recipe for climbing the ladder of success and it is respect. It is the most important elements of our personality. It's like investment. Whatever you give other, it will return to you with profit. Different countries celebrate Teachers' Day and different days of the year. But we are Muslims. Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam celebrated Teachers' Day on the 25th of Ramadan.
I think Sabra आपका mic बंद होगी.
Sorry, disconnected everything. It is the most important elements of the personality. It's like investment. Whatever you give there, it will returns to you with profit. Different countries celebrate Eid day and different days of the year, but we are Muslims and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam are always every time they taught us respect. The, the younger ones were asked to show compassion and older one to be repeated. The Chinese proverb says, if you are planning for a year, sow rice. If you are planning of dedicate plant trees. If you are planning for a lifetime, educate people. Friends, education is the passport to our future, and who lives our dear teachers are forefront, preparing us for a better future. Let us all thank them for a lifeless work. Before I end my speech, I would like to say a big thank you to all our teachers. May God bless you abundantly for yourselves, work and for helping us become worldly citizens of the nation. Thank you.
I really appreciate you, Sabra. I appreciate your these words. That if you want to educate the nation, if you want long-term planning, then educate people. If you educate people, then you will have very civilized and educated society. You are absolutely right, and teachers can only do this. Yes, next, Isma Khan.
In the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Good evening and Assalamu alaikum. Respected sir, all the teachers and my classmates. First of all, me wishing you, respected sir, happy Teachers' Day. I wish you for always
Thank you,
joy
sir.
and happiness because you are an amazing teacher. Your teaching method is too good. I really proud of you and you only deserve best. Secondly, I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Without you would have been lost. Thank you, teachers, for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us we are today. Dear teachers, thanks for inspiring hope in me. Happy World Teachers Day to all teachers. You are all heroes. You are the amazing instruments of the nation to keep instruments of the nation to keep our kids learning in these trying times. Respected sir and teachers, we have gathered here today to celebrate Teachers' Day. Today is a special day for all of us where we can pay a hearty tribute to our dear teachers who take untiring efforts to build our future. The day is celebrated by all students in Pakistan with great joy and happiness. It gives us an opportunity to express our gratitude towards our teachers. Teachers play a big role in building the character of students. They give us knowledge, believe in us, and help us achieve our dreams. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that give us strength to survive is our teacher. Teachers' Day is a day filled lots of joy and happiness. On this day, we students get an opportunity to tell our teachers how and why they are special to us. Teachers are the source of knowledge and wisdom. They are like our second parents who mold our personality and provide a bright future. Students all over the country celebrate this day, pay respect to their teachers. Various competitions are arranged in schools, but this year we are not able to celebrate this day on a large scale because of lockdown. Our teachers are taking taking classes efforts to teach us through online education system. They are doing their level best to save our one academic year. We are thankful to them for all the efforts they are taking for us. As we celebrate Teachers' Day, today it is my honor to salute all the teachers that have taught in school. Teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child. Where is teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future. Apart from academic teachers, stand by us at every step to guide, motivated, and inspire to become better human beings and bring about positive change in society. Teachers focus on improving the personality of the students and making them a good human being. They also prepare us to face the challenges in life. Teachers are undoubtedly thanks you are a teacher, they've been the backbone of the society. Thanks you for teaching me how to read and write, for guiding me to distinguish between what is wrong and what's right. I found guidance, discipline, and everything in one person, and that person is teacher. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Thank you so much.
Very good. I really appreciate. I think this is one of the longest presentation I have listened today, and I really agree with your words that parents are those who bring the child from the sky, and teachers are those who take you to the sky. I agree with these words of yours. And now, very good. I appreciate it. Minahil Iqbal. Yes, Minahil.
May I start?
Yes, yes, start.
Respected sir and all my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Minahil Iqbal, and I am here to present speech on auspicious day, Teachers' Day. I would start my speech from this quotation. Great teachers know the shortcomings of their students and work on improving them instead of insulting them. No doubt, teachers play a very important role in shaping the future of their students. Right from kindergarten to university, they are the ones who impart knowledge and teach us about everything important. A world without teachers would be definitely chaotic. There are only a few people in our lives who impart our world, and teachers are definitely one of them. Moreover, they see the potential of their students when no one else can. In fact, The fate of students is in the hands of their teachers. They also push the students to achieve greater heights and become more successful. One of the most important parts of teaching is having dedication. Teachers not only listen but also coach and mentor their students. Teaching can be incredibly stressful, so great teachers must have deep passion to keep them going every day. A teacher is always called the captain of the ship because it is because of them we can reach our destination and fulfill our dreams. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, the care you take, the love you give makes you the world's best teacher. In my last few words, I dedicated to my honorable sir, Sir Hasib. I found guidance, friendship, discipline, and love, everything in one person, and that is you. So thank you. Thank you so much for being kind and inspiring. I wish you a happy Teacher's Day. You deserve not only this day, but also all days. Stay happy and stay blessed. Thank you so much.
Well, Bilahil, if I give you marks, if I compare your speech with the last speech today, I found you much better. You have improved a lot. Your
Thank you,
accent
sir.
is getting better. Your
Sir,
style
it's
is
all
getting.
because of you. Sir, it's
It's
all because of you.
no, no. Actually, you are working hard. You have been listening to my advice. You have been following
Yes, sir.
the tracks which I am telling you, and I think you are listening uh, those audios very carefully, which I am sending you on WhatsApp. Listening activity. So that is helping you, I think, a lot in improving the way you are pronouncing the words. I really appreciate it, and thanks for those words. These words are, our life, and just because of these words, every year I want to be a teacher for the next upcoming year. These words, fill us with hope, fill us with devotion, fill us with energy for a year. That's why I always become a part of. I always become a part of Teachers' Day. Last year, I remember. Luckily, right, I will show you that I received an award of excellence where I was working. If you can see, I was working as a principal in a college. So this received this from one of my teachers. I'll show you on the screen
Yes,
if you can see this award. Can you see
yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
Let me show you clearly. It's
Yes,
not
sir.
clear. It was given by Sir Tausif Shah. And last year, like in 2018, this an award was given by the chairman, Interboard, Dr. Professor Inam. So it was a very memorable day for me when I received that award. And every year, this day fills us with hope, with energy, with the passion that we want to teach. And just because of your words, just because of your words. So your words are our life. So that's why I'm listening to all of you very carefully. And your words are giving me energy to teach for another 1 year.
Assalamualaikum,
Yes.
sir.
Walaikum assalam. Musarat, how are you?
Sir, I'm not feeling well.
Yeah, I can observe. I can observe.
So, can I leave?
Yes, thanks very much that you came for a second. Thank you very much.
Uh, सर
Who
मैं
is
ज्वाइन करती लेकिन तबीयत बहुत खराब है मेरी तो
no problem.
अब
You
मुझे
just
बल्कि
lie.
कॉलेज की तरफ से 2 days के लिए आइसोलेट भी कर दिया
अच्छा ठीक है अच्छी बात
है
उन्हें लग रहा
आज
होगा
मेरा
करोड़
कोविड का
का,
टेस्ट भी हुआ है
अच्छा उन्हें
It's,
मैं अगर स्कूल में होता ना मैं तो ऐसे जानबूझ के खांस रहा होता 2 दिन की छुट्टी नहीं दे वो राइट 15 तारीख से फिर अनाउंस हो गया लाइक दे आर गोइंग टू क्लोज दिस ऑल एजुकेशनल सेंटर्स from
are you
15th
sure,
of
sir?
yeah I have just received an update on my private school association group I have received Let's see what happens, because this Thursday, after this Thursday, things will change. Corona will come back. It's on the way.
Okay.
Yeah. Corona is underground. Corona will come. There is another, things will be different now. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
May Allah save education. Yes,
Yes. I have
yes,
seen the tweet of PM, the
yeah.
second.
Okay, yes. After Minahil Iqbal, Kiran Kumari. हमारे पास
Assalamu
कृष्ण.
alaikum, sir.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Sidra, how are you?
Fine, sir.
यस, करिश्मा कुमारी गई तो हमारे हमें भगवान ने किरण कुमारी दे दी. चले, करिश्मा कुमारी का दूसरा जन्म, किरण कुमारी. यस.
Hello, sir. Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम.
Sir, happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you very much.
Today, I'm here share a speech on Teachers' Day. First of all, I share a quote, then I can speech.
Sure.
A teachers take a hand, open the mind, and touch the heart. I start speech. Teachers' Day in Pakistan is celebrated every year on 5th of October. Honor the contributions of teachers in our steady society and country. To the one who made us able to learn, read, write, and made us confident enough to face many things. May Allah bestow you more knowledge so that you may make others like that. Stay blessed, you all there. Thank you, sir. Last quote. Sir, I can say last
Yes,
quote.
yes. Who can stop you?
Okay. Okay, sir. उस्ताद के सामने एहतरामी निगाहें झुकाने वाला हमेशा सर उठाकर जीता है. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes, your last words, have stolen the show. Steal the show means महफिल को लूट लेना. Uh, you are
Thank you, sir.
absolutely right. When you respect your teacher, your attitude, your behavior, your body language shows that you respect your teacher. When
Yes, sir.
I still, like, it's been almost 20 years. I left my school in 2001, almost 19 years. But if I happen to go to my school, first I will clean my shoes. I will look my face in the mirror. I will not eat anything. I will brush my teeth. Then I will enter my principal's room, because I know he wants to see me as a good and tidy student. And he
Yes,
will
sir.
see me that how my student has shaped himself after 20 years. And he will feel proud, and he will take a selfie. My student of 2001, a very well-known teacher of English language. He always feels proud whenever I visit, and he says, keep it up. So I will visit him, inshallah, when I get time. And he always offers me a cup of tea. Please, he gives me that much respect that in return, I give respect to my students. Actually, the respect I am given to all of you, in the same way I have been respected by my teachers. Because always remember, if you scratch mine, I will scratch yours. And remember these words: do respect it, be respected. इज्जत करोगे तो इज्जत मिलेगी. If you respect your
Yes,
teacher, your
100%.
teacher will always respect you. Teacher will never insult you, but there are some students who respect from the bottom of the heart. So we always give them respect. And respect is not given by the words, it's given by your attitude, by your behavior. Yes, thank you very much,
Thank
Kiran
you, sir.
Kumari.
Thank you so much.
Now next, Samia, then Asia, then Dr. Rajkumari, and Kumari वाले बहुत लोग आ गए हमारे पास माशाल्लाह. And then Alvina Ajman. Yes, Samia.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Yeah. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I am starting with a very famous quote of Malala Yousafzai. One book, one pen, one child, and one teacher can change the world. Good evening to all. As we all know, we
Hi,
have
hi.
gathered to celebrate Teachers' Day online. Let me take this opportunity to thank all of our teachers who have been working very hard to teach us online. Taking education to the next level this year may have given us tough times, but our teachers have surely been a ray of hope. From guiding us to motivating us, this year our respect for teachers worldwide has grown immensely. We know it has been challenging for each one of us, but teachers have been our lockdown mentors. They have supported us throughout the journey and helped us to cope with online classes and tests. In these tough times, I would like to thank all the teachers on behalf of each and every student for unwavering support. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us, and making us what we are today. And especially in the last, I would like to thank Sir Sibur Rahman. When I was done with my final exam, I was looking for something which will be productive for me in future as well. I selected Sir Rahman as a English teacher. Thank you so much, sir. And
Thank you very much, Samir.
day
Thank
to
you
you.
very much. You are actually a good student. That's why you find me very good. You are talented. You are sincere. You are willing to learn. Those students who are willing to learn, they always find their teachers helpful and supportive and dedicated, and always be there for them. Right? Some students WhatsApp me, I always reply them. But some students WhatsApp me, I reply, but in 24 hours. Yes, Dr. Raj Kumari. Very good.
Good evening to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day. At very beginning, I would like to say thank you very much to my respected teachers to attend this program and also thankful to all other non-teaching staffs to have their valuable time with us. I heartily welcome everyone to this celebration. Today on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I am very glad to find all my teachers to be here. A huge love and respect to all of you. Now we are celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th October because to respect our teachers and remember them how important they are to us. Our parents give us birth and instant us in the track, and the teachers are who teach us to run on the track with right directions. They labor us to teach well and well. They try their best to give us knowledge. The teachers serve the whole country in a good way by teaching the students who are the future of tomorrow. And the teachers are who makes the future of the student bright. We can never forget their gift to us. At the end, I at the end I end my speech with these words. जो इल्म का इल्म है उस्ताद की अता है, हाथों में जो कलम है उस्ताद की अता है, जो फिक्र ताज़ा दम है उस्ताद की अता है, जो कुछ किया रकम है उस्ताद की अता है. Thank you very much.
Very good, Raj Kumari. You have done great wonders. You have given a nice speech. I appreciate. I won't talk much because there are so many students. They have to speak out, right? I will give my feedback by the end of the session, right? Yes. Next, Asia, then Alvina, then Asma. हाथ उठा लेंगे तो आपकी बारी लग जाएगी.
Respected sir and all my dear friends, wish you all happy Teachers Day. Teacher is a person who always guides us right way of life. We can also say that teacher shows us light of knowledge. The light of the world that begin in the dark and the hope that give us strength to survive in our teacher. Today we celebrating a teacher day. Teacher is a noble profession. Teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate and inspire to become a better person. They are the source of knowledge. Teacher are the second parents of us. Teacher play a prominent role in our always guide who play an important role in our transforming a student into a responsible citizen. They but it extend to the teacher also. to society and to a country. Teacher really play a key role in shaping experience. Teacher are the building block of our life. I am glad that Sir Hasib is my teacher, and I'm lucky that Sir Hasib is my teacher because Sir Hasib is an energetic and responsible and motivated teacher. He teaches a good method of how to speak English. Today, I able to speak in English is because of Sir Hasib. Thank you, sir, for sharing such a knowledge education of English with us.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
Zabardast Asia. You have shared very valuable and very useful, very good words. I appreciate it. Next, Alvina Ajmal.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Alvina Ajmal from Karachi. With the name of Almighty Allah, I would like to start my speech. A good friend, a good advisor, a sincere guider, and totally comfortable relationship in the world is called teacher. Teacher means teach and understand the students. As we have hearing since our childhood, a teacher presents the past, reveals the present, and creates the future. It's 100% right. Whatever we are, just because of our teachers. They make our personality to face the world and support in every step of life. And after parents, teacher wants that our career will be bright and shiny. Teachers give courage and passion to do those things which we feel difficult or impossible. They make every impossible I am possible. According to me, the profession of teacher very deserving to get honor and respect in this world. No one can make your personality except your teachers. They understand the way and realize we are the future of our country. Like how to cut and polish the diamond. Just know the jailers. Same like that teacher polish their student and they know how should they do. I have listened so many times in my life. Teachers are not the kings or queens, but they definitely make their student kings or queens. Teacher is the only one who enhance our confidence and appreciate where they feel. Teacher inspired the student to reach the goals and achieve the dreams. Teacher always try to prominent those students who are not capable to do something. If there were no teachers, all other professions would not exist. Teacher is the noble and honorable profession. Teacher support can reach the success of sky from the sky. And sometimes student can't say anything to say in their home, but they share all problems and all matters with teachers to resolve the problem. As we implement to obey our parents, same as also implement to obey our teachers too. Everyone needs a push to kick start their lives. I owe it to my favorite teachers for their unflinching support and unwavering patience. I have so many teachers in my life who are my teachers, who are my most favorite teachers. One of my favorite teacher is Sir Hasib. He has too much dynamic personality and soft-hearted. He is very sincere and extraordinary expert in teaching. He inspires me a lot. How can we understand and make our chemistry to the students?